Oh my goodness! Oh boy, here he comes. Sit down. Hi! Oh my goodness! How was your breakfast? We haven't done burps in a long time. I miss doing burps with you in the mornings. Oh, look at that little burp. How was your breakfast, baby? You had a really good first burp. Oh, another baby one. Can you give us another one? Oh. You're back like you never left, huh? Did you enjoy your breakfast? I made it extra special. Definitely wasn't the same thing I gave you yesterday. You give us one more? Oh, there you go. Good job. Good job. High five. Good job. What do you say? Same time tomorrow?